I want to take a little bit of what we talked about in the contrast between slow food and fast food and compare it to fast furniture and slow furniture. We'll take a little bit of time in sort of digging in, if you will, to some fast furniture and also some slow furniture. This piece, Jake tells me, was built in, what year do you think?
2017.
Yeah, 2017. So here it is. I need 2 volunteers. There we go. Here's what you have in the middle of that one, and you can see what the what the product is made out of. And we want to make sure that we can see it for the video, but there's obviously a contrast here between what you just saw and the solid wood piece that's made authentically throughout. What you see on the outside is the same thing that you see on the inside, right? So, big difference between the two. That's what you get between a Big Mac and real furniture.